guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit photos on CapCut PC and exporting it later as an image. So I'm just going to edit this real quick. Just going to add in like a border in Canvas, go to style, and you'll find a bunch of pictures that you can use for the border. So we're just going to find one that looks cute. I like this one. Okay, I kind of like this one. It's giving the green vibes, whatever. You can also add in like a shadow sort of, but it does have to be like below it, so I don't think I will do that. And then I'm going to go to effects, and you can even add in some effects to it, maybe like some filters as well. So like find the filter that you want to add to your photo. Maybe select the like portrait one. Let's see, which one do I want to use? Maybe like this clear one. You can also adjust the filter strength, by the way, so it's not too overpowering. And you can also, again, like I said, add in an effect. Like maybe this one. You can, don't worry, later just select the part that you want to export. Maybe even add in some stickers if you'd like to, like this sticker right here. I'm just going to put it under the effect though, so it kind of blends in. And you can also add in text if you want, but I'm just going to export this bit right here. So select these 3 lines and then just select export still frame and just name the image, the resolution. Also, you are going to choose it, like where the folder is, like the place you want to export the picture to, and also the format. You have PNG or JPEG. I'm just going to select export, and then here if I just delete this and go back to media, I did also select import to project. It's going to import it as an image, so then you can now go and upload this to like Instagram or anywhere else. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!